Alright guys, welcome to not episode, I always say episode, but welcome to video 4 of, this awesome course. You're going to be learning, this might be one of the most important videos of Module 1, to be honest, other than the first video, but this may be, I think this is the last video of Module 1, if I'm correct, and one of the most important ones. So you guys want to really pay attention. I'm going to teach you guys something that will benefit you in the long term. So you're going to really want to do this. And it sounds pretty simple, but it's how to create a blog and how to put banner ads on it. Because creating a blog can help you a lot in the long term, especially when we get to module 3, because when you create your funnels, when you create having a blog post is almost like having a website if you structure it just how I show you how to structure a blog post in this video. And having a blog post is almost like a website if you structure it correctly. And if you put banner ads at the top too, if someone's attention comes away from your sales funnel for your science product, if their attention comes away from that and goes to the banner ad, not only do you not really want them to go through most of the process of the funnel, which is just a process the person goes to finally make the purchase, not only do you not want them to do that because they may not actually be good for retargeting and stuff like that, but you also get money also just from them clicking banner ad if they buy something from that banner ad, which is there's a wide variety of products usually from them to choose from, so you can get a commission off of them buying off the banner ad. So let's go right into screen share, and I'm going to show you guys how to create a blog. Cool. So creating a blog is fairly simple. All you have to do, this is my blog right now, one of my posts that I'm going to pick for you guys to see. And guys, if you don't really like typing and stuff like that, you don't even have to worry about having a blog, because having a blog will just help you create your sales funnel and stuff like that. I very rarely even write stuff on here. I only write it for my sales funnels. So just to make a theory solving for the mystery of the universe once and for all. A cool tip for this, if you want to have some cool headlines, you can always just go to BuzzFeed and see the trending headlines. It sounds so stupid, but it works. You see the trending headlines and how they're structured, and just make your headline off of inspiration from those. So yeah, this banner ad, these kind of banner ads I'm talking about right here, I'm going to teach you how to put this on for free with Amazon Associates again. And I'm sorry, I'm always talking about Amazon Associates, but it's essential. You can really use it, and you can really do a lot of stuff with it. Or if you want to have your own products, that's completely fine too. But I recommend still, even if you have your own products, doing Amazon Associates for banner ads too. So yeah, if I click on this banner ad, if someone wants to click on the banner ad instead of go through my process, get the free Kindle app. Really cool, has a video, and these are pretty much designed to convert, because Amazon knows what they're doing, and so the customer could easily just buy something from here. So this looks like a banner ad for the Kindle store, which I'm using I believe it's called the Flip banner ad. I'll have to check again, but it's where it shows a different banner ad every single time. So it goes through a cycle. I don't want to play the video because I don't want to get copyrighted. Well, this is not YouTube, so I'll watch the video. So yeah, it's just showing Kindle, introducing all new Kindle app, stuff like that. And Kindle books cost money too, and the person has to opt in with your email, phone number. Really, really awesome, guys. So that's all just from my banner ad on my blog that I put on really easy. I'm going to show you how. So first, we need to know how to make a blog. So I'm here on Blogger. Just Google search Blogger, and then just press the create a blog, link under Blogger, and that's pretty much how you get to this. I'm going to call this test blog. Address. So making the address is kind of hard to figure out on your own, but this is really cool too. So what you mainly want to do is just like click outside of here and then see what the example is. So my new blog address, and then make sure you include .blogspot.com. So maybe I'll say science communicators .blogspot.com, and it's available. So that's cool. Sometimes they're not available. Well, most of the time they're not, but you can find one eventually that is available for you to use. So themes also very, very cool. The one I really recommend is dynamic views, guys, because it's really simple. It looks most like just a casual website, and it's like really awesome. It's the one I use, dynamic views. I've switched it before, and just from my experience, dynamic views just is the best. So let's press create blog. Now we're creating our blog. Test blog has been created. Yes. So now you can find a domain name, but it may try to charge you money for that. So, and you don't really need one at the moment. So I just say no thanks. So you can create a new post. Now I want to show you, we're going to make a blog post here live for you guys and put a banner ad for it so that you guys can see that. Yeah, let's title this SCA for Science Communicator Academy. And we're going to say Science Communicator Academy is a course that shows you how to communicate science in a fun and awesome way and make a living doing it too. Awesome. So that's with that. And then also another common problem is that if you copy, when you finally publish it and copy the link and email it to yourself and view it on your phone, you'll notice that some of the text, usually from about here, will cut off. So you just want to take this text from about right here and just cut it off evenly like that so that it's viewable on a phone. Because you want to make sure this is viewable on a phone, because most people that will view your blog, especially on your sales funnels, will mostly view it on a phone. So that's that. You can also add images with that. You can add videos, but if you add a video, it has to be up to 1 minute and it has to be a smaller file size. So you can't really do a screen recording, because screen recorders are generally a lot of a larger file size, and it has to be a minimum of a maximum of about 1 minute videos. So I recommend just having one short 1 minute video and whatever your blog is about. On module 3, you can make a blog post that can convert into sales. Cool. Now we're just gonna have that. We're not gonna really have anything else, but if you have an image, dynamic views really looks nice on it too. So we're just gonna show you, we're just gonna publish it and just show you what it looks like live. Cool. Let's press view. And voila. So yeah, it looks pretty nice. It looks like a casual website. It looks better on the phone. And the reason why I restricted all the text to here also, right here, let me highlight it, is because on the phone, I maybe even cut it off too much. On the phone, it'll only show like from here, not here, from here this way. It won't show a lot of this. So you just want to just write it normally, I recommend first, and then when you publish it, just copy the link up here and then paste it into an email it to yourself, view it on your phone, and then you can make corrections from there. Cool. So now let's put a banner ad on this. So to put a banner ad, it's really easy. You don't even have to know code. I'm like super bad at code, and like, it's so easy. It involves code, yes, but you don't even need to know code. It's literally copy and pasting code. So you want to, by the way, you can also highlight colors and stuff like that, or highlight words and use different fonts and, font sizes and stuff like that. You can use bullet points, quotes. You can use so much. So in order to get a banner ad on here, just press HTML, right? And this is the code. I know it looks super intimidating. It looks like kind of weird. A lot of BRs and angle brackets and stuff like that. But this is super easy. We're just leave it on this HTML tab. It composes the normal, and then you just press HTML. You want to go back to Amazon Associates right here. So I'm going to show you how I got to this. But boom. All you got to do is go to home. You got to sign in. Real quick. There you go. I'm glad it doesn't show passwords. Boom. And it'll do this sometimes. It's really hard to. Sometimes it has errors when you put in your password, which is strange. Okay, there you go. So Prime Day, blah, blah, blah. Nope. Cool. So all you gotta do is when you're home on Amazon Associates, and again, if you don't know how to do Amazon Associates, you just gotta Google search literally Amazon Associates, go to the website, put in your information, and get the application and stuff. It may take about a few days for it to approve, and also it may take maybe a good 30 minutes to fill out the whole application. Or for me, it took that long of a time. For you, it might be shorter. But I promise it's all worth it at the end. So just go to product linking and just go to banners. Just like that. Just like 1, 2, and 3. So now all you have to do right here. You have easy links, you have gift cards. What I would say to do is choose which one you want to do. So right here, you have this whole big list of the type of banner ad you want. I can do a banner ad for Audible and Oprah. I could do Audible and romance. I could do a banner ad for 3D printers. Let's do that one. That's pretty cool. A banner ad for 3D printers. Boom. And then you can get a preview of all these banner ads. You have these kind, which looks cool, but it could take up too much space on your blog. So you don't want to do that. I recommend, they don't have it for 3D printers. Let me try to find one that has the type of banner that you're going to want. Voila. Let's try. I'm going to try to find Kindle. I don't know. Let's try Amazon Prime Video. Hopefully they have the right kind of banner. And if they don't, I'll just show you or like give an example of what the kind of banner that I'm looking for looks like. Just like that. And you can choose the size. There we go. These are the kind of banners that you want. Ones that are like more of a rectangle-y and kind of more longer, because they don't take up that much space. And you can choose the size you want up to here, but it's just easier to find a preset one that's already good. So all you have to do is go under the HTML and you see all these cool stuff. I think this says JavaScript though, which doesn't really work. So I wouldn't do JavaScript. This one only looks like it has JavaScript, which is unfortunate because for the example, I'm not finding any good ones. But JavaScript doesn't work usually, or from my experience. on Blogger, JavaScript is pretty complicated when it comes to that. Let me try to find another one. Let's do one for Alexa Smart Home. Okay, these look like they're good size. Yeah. Okay, so these are the kind you want. So you can do JavaScript, but from my experience, it doesn't work. JavaScript, you can tell because it says JavaScript right there. And also, it's more of like a line setup, as you can see. I prefer iframe. iframe is what really works for me, at least. You just want to copy this code, go back to the Blogger, and to the HTML tab. Remember, we're at the compose where we just type normally. Then you just press this HTML button right here. And then you press enter to move all this code down one space. And then go up here and then paste the code you just copied. And now let's preview it and show you what it looks like. And boom! We got it right here. It looks a little goofy, but that's exactly how you do it. It does actually really look goofy, but it shows. That's all you really have to do. And of course, you don't want it to look that goofy. You want it to look a little better. But yeah, that's how you do it. You copy and paste it to make it look a little better. You can always just, back this up and then put this forward. Awesome. Now let's view it right here. And boom. It may take a little while to load. Okay, it's not showing. Okay, I'm not recording anymore today. Why the hell is it not showing? Something goes wrong when I try to record. Dude, I don't even feel like recording anymore, dude. Forget this broadcast.